I'd always had a passion inside that I wanted to do it. It was always something that I wanted to do. Didn't always understand the role and what it entailed, but yeah, it was something that inside it was always something that I wanted to do.
Why do you think it's important to foster with the local authority?
I believe that the matching process is better. I mean, ultimately, the local authority is where the children come into first. So if you've got enough foster carers within that, then obviously the children are going to be better placed with the right family, and it's gonna last. It's gonna be meaningful for everybody, and it'll work. And if it works, then they have permanence and continuity.
And you think it can be worked out better if children are placed locally?
Yes, I think they've experienced enough, and I think, you know, where possible, as long as it's safe to do so, I like to see children in their own community, and I think it's better for them because they have some, you know, they've made their own friends, and, you know, we don't want to remove, I don't think they should be removed from everything they know. It's important to them, and some family links. My boys were able to have good links with an auntie, and she's been amazing in their life, and I think that's important, and they've been able to stay in their community to keep that going, really, and maintain that.
So what would you say to someone who had actually thought of becoming a foster carer but hadn't actually done anything about it?
Pick up the phone. I mean, fostering has changed my life. I genuinely can't imagine now doing anything else. So please pick up the phone, because you can change the life of a child, and there's no greater feeling than that.